this morning. Just a little trip. What do you think?
Tired.
We woke up at 4 o'clock, or actually left at 4 o'clock. Drove all the way up here to Indiana, and we have got ourselves a little jet. Cashton, look what's up here. Piece of corn.
Oh my
Here.
gosh.
Here. It's dry. It's just good. Here. Look, it's just a corn husk. Oh, don't that. But we got ourselves a little police trailer. I'm actually pretty pumped about this thing. Looks like it's got some air. Let's make sure you think there's anything in here. Shoot. I don't know. It's got a bunch of freaking batteries.
It's got a spare tire. Maybe we can put that on the other thing.
Dude, this is gonna be perfect. This will be absolutely perfect. Dude, we can sell these, take these batteries to the scrapyard. I bet you I make a couple $100 off of just some batteries. We can make ourselves a sign to go up here. It says KOTV Motorsports. Do you like it? Do you like this thing? Got some. Actually, these tires don't look bad.
Does this work?
I don't think so. I don't even know where you would turn it on at. No idea. It's pretty cool though, isn't it?
You probably have to
You probably have to shut this door to do it. Well, look, here you go. Here's another one. Look, it's got some corn on it too. You want some? See, there's a new one right there. So this is pretty awesome. We do got a little bit of rust. We're gonna have to. Oh boy, I don't need a little bit of rust. We may keep the police thing on it, and then I don't know how this joker works. Thought that was a solar panel, but it is not. It is
Big one, gang.
25 mile an hour speed limit. Yeah, this is gonna be pushing. We're gonna have be pushing down on this real good.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is about. It's like it's got some type of an air chuck thing. So if anybody knows anything about these trailers, let us know. This is how long it's been sitting here. It is embedded. So let's see what we can do here.
Even the big one gang on the little trailers.
I know. So pretty pumped. Looks like it was in Carmel. I don't know where Carmel is, but we got a thing. I'm pumped. Yeah. This is sweet. This thing should work just fine. We're gonna take that deal off. In fact, I would almost take it off now if I brought the tools. But take it off. We may repaint it. Should we keep the police? You guys think we should keep the police thing? No? Okay. I think this is one of our lights. Yeah, this is actually for this side. I'm going to throw this in here. You think? Okay, well we're gonna get this thing loaded up. It's actually maybe heavy, Cash. You may have to help me quite a bit on it. We may have to change this out because we would like to lock that. But all right, cool. Let's get her loaded up. Boys, I'd give y'all a. It's hot as something right now. Hotter than Satan's ball sack out here. It's just all there is to it. That thing right there went off. Scared the ever-loving bejesus out of me. I've never been involved with a tornado warning. And I thought I did something. Thought there was something attached to the trailer. Yeah. We are wet out this block. Wet. Flexing my tie fab. Gotta get on that giveaways, you know how it is. Y'all know. So we're good. Got a little bit of rust back here. Nothing crazy. I'm hoping that thing doesn't come off. We're gonna test it going down the road. If it seems like it wants to flip up, we're gonna have to stop and get us some more tools and take that unit off. But I'm gonna get in here in the AC. I'm leaking, boys. I'm leaking bad. Oh man, let's get it. I'm not eating, but Cashton is. I got way too hot doing that. But
Take
they gave us the remote and said, watch what you want to watch. So we're 28 minutes ago. What do you think?
This is sick.
This is sick.
This is my dream room.
Nice. Mexican. And Cletus McFarland. It's a happy kid. Happy kid. Respect this, boys. Had no idea Ohio had one of these. So it was like 5 minutes out of our way. And even though we just filled with fuel, we're going to fill with some 389 fuel. And the old drag and drive trailer up there. Look, we got a no prep wing. A no prep wing.
Yeah, big one.
Big wing gang. Let's go, guys. It's been a minute. Wanted to go ahead and get you guys updated on this unit, the thing that's going to be pulling that drag and drive trailer. The drag and drive trailer, we're going to be doing some content on it soon, getting it going, but we got to get this thing going first. And this thing is taking me a while. I've got parts. It looks like a coyote exploded. I've got parts over here. I've got parts all the way over here. It's just a whole ordeal. And it's taking me a little bit. I got the Billet Pro Shop lockouts done. There's plenty of videos out there. Not gonna bore you guys with that, but one little thing, if you're timing a coyote, on the driver's side bank, you use cylinder 6 for your reference, not cylinder 5. That took me 2 weeks to get somebody to inform me of that. Finally got it. So today, I'm gonna be working on a couple different things. We're gonna get the motor back together. Everything's locked down when it comes to the cam, so we're good. Get all that stuff off. We can start putting the timing cover back on and a couple of things like that. I'm actually probably going to clean some things. We're also going to be doing the Strange / UPR. I'm going to put some manual brakes, get rid of the brake booster on this thing, and clean some stuff up there. And then I'm going to get some paint. We're going to paint that front end that rock solid front end. It's been neat painted for a while. And then I'll be able to start putting the rest of the motor back together. And that way I don't get a bunch of overspray on these brand new parts. I'm going to cover the motor with some plastic or trash bag or something like that. But that way, like, I got something really fancy. Where you at? In that box? Really fancy. Like, thank God for shop pay. Y'all know the drill. Here, how about, no, it's this box. This box. Let me show you. I'll show you. Sneak peek, real small peek, okay? Ready? That's it. That's all you get. If you know what that is, comment down below what you think that is. So I got those. And I guess we haven't even talked about, let me show you guys something that's on the motor now, and I'll talk about it. We got parts, look at there, Strange Engineering. We got parts here. We got new stuff here. It's a whole mess. Got a new intercooler. We got some nice stuff on here. We got some new bungs on the oil pan, but right here, barn built manifolds. Super pumped on those. Super pumped. So I'm not going to bore you on the whole video showing all the things that I have gotten and doing for this thing. Once I get those things lined out, I'm trying to find turbo flanges because I am changing the turbos up on this thing. Have had a small issue with the fuel system. It's just been one thing after the other with trying to get this car going, and I've got to order a dampener for this thing. I'm going to put there's no point in putting the stock one back on it, so we're going to do that. And then I've got to mount the Dominator inside and route some of the wiring after we get this motor back together. Once I get that mounted and sort of to where I can put the dash back in. Once the dash is back in, I will be able to steer it, and we're probably going to winch it up on the trailer and get it to my house so that I can work on it, because all of the things that will be needed on the lift will be done. It's just easier for me to work on it at my house. So that's what's going on with this thing. I still have to order a hitch for this car, and actually up there on top of one of those parts bins over there is my chute mount from Rock Solid for this car, and so we'll be putting a parachute on it and making it look, it's going to be like sort of more serious. I'm not going to say the R word, but it's going to be more serious is what we'll say. So I'm just working, spending an hour or two a day, just getting this thing going and trying to make progress. And it's been slow progress. I've had a lot going on with work. We've had a lot of jobs and big jobs that I've sort of tried to been a lead on, and it's just taken a lot of time on me, and mix that with kids and work and life and all that good stuff. And it's been hot, and we haven't really been racing a whole lot, but we may change that as fall progresses. Maybe. Work? I don't know. We'll see. So, alright, that's going to be it for this video. Just want to get on here and show you guys the white car and old Whitey, what's going on with it. Hopefully, I mean, next week is August. So I have August, September. So I have 8 weeks that I really need to get this thing back together in. That's not a lot of time in real world time. It's just really not. So, alright guys, that's it for this video. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of the drag and drive content with this thing. Alright, peace.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, yeah. For the